I got new opportunity because shortly after, no, shortly before the exam, I got a new role. That was when I started my new role at CyberSoc Africa. I remember during the interview, yes, I really made case out of financial modeling and leading a finance team, right? And well, unfortunately, I was going to use it. I wanted to use it in my previous work, which was at Nine Payment Service Bank. But yes, this juicy role came in and was really helpful. FMA was really helpful in getting that role, because now I have to really participate and help the organization in project financing.